Everyone assumed Google would finally give the Pixel Watch a real chip upgrade this year, but that might not be what's happening at all. Leaks around the Google Pixel Watch 5 are starting to paint a very different picture than what most people expected, and honestly, it's got us questioning what upgrade even means anymore. In this video, we're diving into what's reportedly happening under the hood of the Pixel Watch 5, why Google seems to be taking a page out of its own playbook instead of chasing new silicon, and what that could actually mean for how the watch feels day to day. Stick around because the most interesting part of this story isn't the chip itself, it's what Google might be doing around it. So here's the first thing worth knowing. According to current leaks, the Google Pixel Watch 5 is expected to once again run on Qualcomm's SW5100 platform, the same core setup that's been quietly powering Pixel watches since the Pixel Watch 2. That means we're likely looking at the same quad-core Cortex-A53 and Adreno 702 GPU combo, not some flashy new processor. And yeah, that might sound underwhelming at first, especially with Samsung pushing the Galaxy Watch series onto newer Snapdragon Elite silicon. But Google's approach here seems less about chasing bigger numbers and more about squeezing everything it can out of a platform it already knows inside and out. Now here's where things start to get more interesting. Leaks suggest Google is bumping RAM on the Pixel Watch 5 from 2GB to 3GB, and while that number alone might not sound huge, the impact could be. More memory typically means apps stay loaded longer in the background, fewer annoying reloads when you switch between them, and more breathing room for on-device AI features. With Gemini becoming a bigger part of the Pixel ecosystem, that extra gigabyte could end up mattering a lot more than a faster processor would. There's also a quieter theory floating around, and it's honestly pretty reasonable. After multiple generations on the same core platform, Google may have had time to optimize software efficiency in ways a brand new chip wouldn't automatically guarantee. Better battery life without a hardware overhaul isn't impossible, it's just not flashy. What we still don't know, though, is whether the low-power coprocessor, the chip responsible for always-on display, notifications, and background sensor tracking, has seen any Gaicheng. That detail hasn't shown up in leaks yet, and it could end up being the real difference maker for battery performance on the Pixel Watch 5. Put it all together, and the Google Pixel Watch 5 doesn't look like a smartwatch chasing headlines with new hardware. It looks like Google betting on software refinement, smarter memory management, and deeper Gemini integration instead. Reports point to an August 12th launch in 41mm and 45mm sizes, and honestly, that timing lines up with everything else we're hearing. Whether that strategy actually translates into a noticeably better everyday experience is still something we'll have to see for ourselves. So the real story with the Pixel Watch 5 might not be about power, it might be about polish. Do you think skipping a chip upgrade is the right call for Google this time, or should they have gone bigger? Let me know in the comments. Drop a like if this helped clear things up, and subscribe so you don't miss what comes next. Because if these leaks hold up, this could be one of the smartest moves Google's made with the Pixel Watch yet.